What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Trail Adventures. Now, I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded. I've been dealing with a lot of personal issues in my life, trying to get things back on track. But I'm out here now, and doing a little bit of deer hunting during the Michigan boa season. We've seen a couple deer this morning, and this afternoon. We're in a really good spot where we've gotten deer before in the past. This year has been a bit rough for me, so I'm really looking forward to just getting out here, relaxing, being with Mother Nature, and doing a little bit of hunting. So this was a pretty interesting morning. We had that one doe that come right in front of us here, but she had two fawns with her, so I decided to let her walk. I'm on property where I can take does this time, so I wouldn't mind taking a doe. That'd be no problem. But yeah, she had two fawns with her, and I decided to just let her walk. I'd rather give those two fawns a better chance at making it through the winter than to just take the doe, because I had another 3 deer that were just out of view. I couldn't really get on my camera or nothing, but I could see little glimpses of them, and all of a sudden they just took off running at one point, and I thought, I know I didn't spook them. Couldn't have been me. Could it? And then shortly after that, I actually saw, just through the clearing, again, I couldn't get on camera, he was in view for just like a second or two. There was a coyote. I don't really see too many of those around here, but yeah, that's probably what spooked him. Well, this has been a really exciting hunt. Exciting 2 days, really. We saw a lot of deer yesterday. Saw a few deer today. Pretty good number. Saw a couple bucks, a couple does. We actually had a shot at that one doe, but I let her walk because of the fawns. But, we saw so much. And I wasn't able to get it all on film. But, man, it's sitting here just thinking about hunting and why I do what it is I do, why I do this. It really relaxes me and sort of helps with everything going on in my personal life. We as hunters, we have several reasons why we hunt. And it's different for everybody. For some people, maybe it's just the meat. Other people, maybe it's the thrill of the hunt, which is perfectly fine. For some, maybe it's just family tradition, and that's how they bond. And that's great, too. One of the reasons why I hunt, I think it's a combination, a little bit of all of that, but also just being out here and experiencing this. I know not everyone's going to get it. Not everyone's going to understand. But everything I've experienced in this hunt alone, we saw deer, we saw turkeys, we saw a raccoon, we've seen squirrels. I saw a coyote. Didn't get it on film, but I saw a coyote. Some geese flew overhead. We've seen other birds. And to witness them in their natural habitat, doing what they do naturally in their home, it's really something else. I mean, where else are you going to get that kind of experience? You're not going to get that walking through a national park with a trail that hundreds of people walk every week. The animals, you might see animals, but who knows? how they're going to behave. They're not going to behave like they did for me. And you ain't going to find stuff like this at a zoo. This is Mother Nature in her prime. And that's, I guess, a little piece of why I hunt and why I just enjoy it so much. It's a beautiful thing. I can't get enough of it. I love it so much. Well, I think this hunt is winding down and coming to an end. I gotta get home. Got some stuff I gotta take care of. But yeah, so unfortunately, that'll bring this episode to a close. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more action just like this. I sure would appreciate it. And I will see you on the next adventure. Bye now.